Ndewonu. Welcome to our Igbo fashion show, Ekike Ndi Igbo. Today, we bring you looks from our beloved culture, Ekike Ndi Bani. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Dalono. First is the Nze. Look at the prestige. White lace for a pure heart, ocha, and the Odo elephant tusk, a symbol of authority held firmly in the fist. This is the weight of title and honor. Next is the Regal Matron of high standing. Look at the Ichafu. It reaches for the heavens. She carries the Nza with grace, a symbol of a woman who has sinned and conquered. Lolo marama. Next is a classic chief, dressed in the Isiagu, the pattern of the leopard, and the uagu. He walks with the silent strength of the master of the forest, or here, onye Nze, onye nachia. Anyị ka na-ebido. We are just starting. Stay tuned for the concluding part of our showcase, Mma Beauty. Cordino. Bye.